Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today we have not Michael Marcello, our service manager in Corey, but we have Randy Lillibridge in the flesh, baby.
Yeah.
Randy has been with MS Classic Cars for over 4 years now. He works in our service department doing a lot of the parts ordering, invoices, and so forth. He's also an unbelievable detailer. He does our truck and trailer driving to drop off cars, pick up cars, etc. And he truly bleeds blue. He drives a Ford. His wife drives a Ford. He's got a 67 Ford Mustang Fastback. This truck is Randy's one of his favorite vehicles we've ever had here. He asked if he could do the video in replacement of Mike. Mike said go F yourself, but that's okay. Randy took over and took control of the situation. But anyway, I'm gonna let these guys get to it. Again, this is a 56 F-100. It is a big window. It is absolutely beautiful. And if you go on our website at msclassiccars.com, you will see why I nicknamed this the Black Beauty. Gentlemen, take it over. Have a good time.
Thank you, Mark.
Let it rip.
Yes, sir. Okay, so Corey, we'll get this thing started up.
Yep.
Purrs like a kitten.
You got some big shoes to fill.
Yeah, I do have to fill some big shoes with Mike.
Yeah.
He definitely is probably way more technical than I will be, but like Mark said, I have a very extensive detailing background, and this truck is absolutely gorgeous. The paint and body work is so flat. The detail guys, Jimmy and Dana, did not want this car to go out on the road after they spent 3 days buffing it. It is very complex to buff the beds on these, the inside edges, the outside. There's a lot of curves. They spent a lot of time on this black paint, but it absolutely looks gorgeous. Here we go. Wow, this thing is very nice. First time I've actually driven this truck, so it drives smooth, steers straight. Loving it.
Yeah. And with the air ride, it feels pretty smooth still too.
Yes.
Which we have it set to ride height right now.
Transmission and throttle are very responsive.
A little bit of traffic. Big tests right there. It's a big bump and it actually handled it quite well.
Yes, not bad, not bad. Beautiful day in New England today.
Yep. Chilly 60s weather.
This little cul-de-sac. I will say that the view from the seat out the window is amazing. The big window definitely makes it. The visibility is spectacular.
Yeah, you can see a lot all around. See very little blind spots in this truck.
No, not at all. Oh. Debris in the road. make it, pulling back out on the Route 6.
Thankfully, it's not lunch rush hour, so should be all right.
Oh, look at that, great.
Perfect. Bad for your first go at it, Randy.
Not too bad. Not too bad at all.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.